Can you hear me? This is going one more time. Hello? One more time. Okay.
Hi everyone, it's Mara and Anna from Peabody's Interiors. We're here to talk to you today about fall trends.
And in Wisconsin, fall is one of my favorite seasons, and I feel like it could be one of yours too. So we like to bring in some of the design elements that makes it cozy and nice and warm and transitions you right into that winter season.
Yeah.
A big fall trend that we are seeing right now is actually using wicker, some woven, some rattan pieces that you had from summer and just transitioning those right into the fall season. On our cane chairs, we want to use wool pillows, some like throws. You can even accent that with a hide, just kind of a faux hide, just thrown on the backside. It just gives it that cozy, kind of lived-in feeling that we really want for this fall season. And then also accenting with some wicker chairs, I feel like, or wicker side tables. I feel like that's a great trend that is kind of pulling through from the summer into the fall.
Yeah, lots of texture.
Lots of texture. And then on those accent tables, we're using vintage books. Use those, bring in the color of that antique look.
Yeah, a leather binding, linen that's worn or weathered a little bit, picked up at a vintage store, family, heirloom type piece. We touched on texture. Let's bullet point some fall trending colors. Olive green, a deep, rich mauve, copper, so those earthy, warm colors.
And a deep blue. I mean, I feel like blue is such a nice neutral, but again, we're just kind of transitioning that blue right into our fall palette and making it just like a bit deeper and richer in tone. So a lot of these colors.
And lighter neutrals too, camel or tan, all of those that make you feel warm and comfortable.
And you know, part of fall is enjoying the space that you're in and making it feel warm and fuzzy and cozy. So your space may feel like a little bit more on the summer side with your lighter walls. It's nice to accent with deeper tones of pillows and throws. So don't be afraid to do that.
Okay, so let's say you have a gray sofa. What would you do?
I feel like you could accent that with some deeper blue pillows, the olive green pillows, or even that deep mauve color. Just throw it in as an accent. It'll just give that space a little bit more of a casual, like collected look, as opposed to something that is super neutral and kind of, you know, bland. You're transitioning that summer look into the fall, and I think that's a great way to do that.
So if you're looking for some DIY projects to flip the season.
Something a little bit easier, and that can be done pretty fast. I would actually change out some artwork.
Artwork and family photos. So if you have framed prints of the kids in the pool or at the lake, maybe switch those out.
Yeah, you could do that. Or you could also use some of your summery pieces and kind of interchange those out to a little bit more of the moody tones. Bring in those moody colors. Again, the palette, the blues, the olive greens, some of that mauve-y color. Could be really great into transitioning into fall and then into winter eventually.
As the weather changes, it gets cooler. If you are hoping to sneak in a quick paint project, now's your chance.
Paint your exterior door. We're going with a really big trend right now is the exterior color. So you can go with a fun color on your door on the outside.
Yeah. A bright gold or like a rain jacket yellow is fun. Dark blue.
Dark blue would be great.
Even greens.
Yeah, if you're looking for something that is just an easy kind of outdoor, a little fix that you can see from the front side of your house, I think that would just be so lovely.
So enjoy this favorite season. Happy fall, y'all.
Tag us on Instagram. We'd love to see how you tried the trends.